See through the jungle. Did you know some frogs are practically invisible? Meet the glass frog, a tiny marvel of the rainforest with skin so transparent, it blends seamlessly with lush leaf backdrops. So, how does this unique feature help it survive? Well, as it clings to the jungle's canopy, this frog becomes nearly invisible, evading predators effortlessly. But there's more. Its see-through skin isn't just for hiding, it displays the frog's organs, like a living biology lesson. Watch how its heartbeat and flowing veins create an intimate, mesmerizing spectacle of life. In essence, the glass frog embodies nature's genius, deftly merging artistry and survival. Ready for another wildlife wonder?